This is how to build a solar system layout in Minecraft. So what you're going to need is some white wool, some light blue wool, some green wool, some yellow wool, some brown wool, some red wool, and of course some oak fences. So, you might be wondering, well, why do we need the white ones? I'll tell you in a second, but the fences are not really being needed, only for a second. So what you're going to do is you're going to put a little white thing right here. Because if you didn't know, the sun is actually white, not yellow. It's the atmosphere of our planet that makes it that color. But I'm going to make it a little bit higher. There we go. Now, we can remove these fences. Well, sort of. We're going to put them back in a second. But then take the fences. Guess you can make the sun however big you want. So I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger. Just so it makes more sense. Does that look good? I think that looks good. Alright. Now that you're done with that, maybe... One sec. I just want to make the sun really big so it makes sense. Because 99.86% of all the mass in the solar system goes to this. This star right here. The star that gives us a bunch of heat, and it will do that for a very long time. For 7 billion years. Before it swallows Earth. And then you can even make them further. But, oh yeah, I need gray wool. I need gray wool. Gray and orange wool. Mercury. Now, again, just a little further, put Venus. Then again, even further from the sun is our own planet Earth. But Earth is way, way bigger. Way bigger. There we go. The solar system layout is almost finished. Now, even further, is Mars, which is very small. Second smallest planet in the solar system. That's why I made it a little smaller than Earth. Okay, I did add a South Pole. South Pole, yeah. Then, if you like, you can even add the little asteroid belt. But I'm not going to do that today. But the biggest thing that we are going to need is Jupiter. Oh. Oops. Alright, this thing is still recording. Actually, you'll understand and why in the world does it look like Jupiter is bigger than the Sun? Don't worry. I have a painting where Jupiter is bigger than the Sun. Don't worry, the planets don't have to be there what they actually look like in real life. Like, Jupiter doesn't have to be smaller than the Sun. Oh, and one more thing. Jupiter's a little red spot. Yep, it looks pretty good so far. What's next, you may be asking? Well, Saturn. Saturn is next. And Saturn is known for its icy rings. Oops, right. This is not Uranus just yet. By the way, you don't have to use wool. That's just what I'm using. And yes, these are probably not the actual colors of these planets, but that's how they look. On to the weirdest planet in the solar system. Uranus, also pronounced Uranus. Yet you can't hide from it. It's the third biggest planet in the solar system. I'm just gonna put it up here. Oh, and I almost forgot again. I need dark blue. The fourth biggest planet in the solar system. Alright, and we can build this. Hello? Okay. Okay, it's still recording. And then that looks too much like the Death Star. Alright. There we go. And I almost forgot something about you. Doing. There we go. And yes, this was harder than it looks. Sadly, yes, it was definitely harder than it looks. But it was worth it. Just making Venus a little bit bigger. Venus is around the size of Earth. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I really hope this helps you with a little solar system layout for you. And I know, I like space a lot. I can tell you the whole history of the solar system. Once upon a time, just kidding. I'll tell you that later. Just kidding.